It's summertime. This is now the time to go to beaches, famous places, historical places, go on vacations, wherever you please. But let's say I was on a beach and I found this scrunchie. Now, I have one of two options. Either leave the scrunchie the exact place I found it, or I can take it all the way over to the office and put it in their huge box, beautifully labeled as lost and found. Now, since I'm a responsible person, I would take the scrunchie all the way to the box and put it in, and that's where this scrunchie would probably go deep, deep, deep down in the box. No one's really gonna know. Now, this seems pretty easy. Oh yeah, I lost my scrunchie here, no problem. We just drive a couple minutes back, go to the box, dig through it, find my scrunchie. Oh, we're good to go. Let's head back home. But I forgot to add a minor detail that, let's say you were at a tourist destination and you came from 100 miles away. First off, you would have no way of actually knowing that, hey, I lost my scrunchie at this exact beach and not some other place that I've been. And even if you do know that you might have lost it here, if you called the office and asked, hey, is my navy scrunchie here? They don't have time to go through that entire box just for a single scrunchie. Now, it might not seem like a lot, a single scrunchie, that can easily be replaced with a couple dollars. But imagine if I found your smartphone, or a drone, or a wallet. Now those seem pretty valuable to me. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. Let's give Lost and Found a digital makeover. And what I mean by this is have some sort of Lost and Found portal that anytime you find a lost and found object, you take a picture of it and you upload it on this portal, or maybe the office can do it for you as well. Now, let's say you lost something. Now you can go on this portal, type the location where you think you lost it at, go through their lost and object things, and immediately claim it right there. Boom, you're done. Now, how to retrieve this object. You can either make your way back over here and claim the object, or you can pay the shipping fees and the lost and found area would just ship it right to your house. Now, this implementation can also be centralized and perhaps funded by the states, so that even if you're coming from Georgia to Washington, D.C., you can still get it shipped right back to you. What do you think about this unique thought? And if you haven't guessed already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by lost and found objects, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.